See a GT girl can change your life.
Alright.
Change your life. A little Guyanese girl can change your life.
Maybe. We're going to see some more.
Could it be a girl can change your life?
They got that one the right.
Change your life. I swear a GT girl can change your life.
Reaction.
What's popping YouTube? It's about Terry Blacks, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now what would I deal with people them? Right now, I'm kind of mad. You see me, I say, one person, it's only one person out of all my viewers them. Everybody who's gonna watch this video right now. Only one person page my Instagram and say, yo, where is the reactions? Why not posting any reactions? So you tell them, say, out of all who watching this video right now, never miss me. You see me, I say, you didn't know where to find me. You never know some my Instagram name, Terry Blacks. We're always the over here, so when I shout it out and I show in the comments and write this and everything. And I make the bad video them before no watch and you couldn't follow me on Instagram. Like, you know how long me I try reach 10k followers on Instagram? You know how long me I try, dog, and not even support the movement the right way, dog. If I support somebody, I support the man the right way, dog. You see me, I say? When I support my halfway, on to the next half. You see me? But that difference still. We're just for on song phone right now. We have a song called Changes by Thoven. Because see what I got. It just dropped a while ago. Yeah man, it just dropped. I know I'm still ready. I can't give it the reaction every day upon time, you know, but what? This support not that if you drop the video at the same time, so what am I gonna kill out myself for? I'm not running the support the right way, dog. You see me, I say? Support me the right way, dog. I'm mad up a thing, dog. You see me, I say? Innovate. John, no. Anyways. Because so I go on. Changes. Run it. Alright. Alright.
Yeah. Some people believe in a love after love, yeah. Some people need it like a drug, yeah. Some people find it really easy to find, easy to hide, easy to cycle.
Like you are Afrobeat vibes, is that true?
Yeah. That's my baby.
Hey.
So damn wavy. I stress her out, then slaughter out my brown skin girl.
Alright. Alright, now you got me right. So once you represent for the girls, them, me dead it. You see me? So you may listen now. But the audio kind of low. I'm not gonna lie to you. I will go on. The audio kind of low. But go on.
Talking about that JT girl. Cook and clean like Cinderella. Body shape like Isabella.
Alright, so you step out brawling for all the little Disney character them, little fairy tale them, and them you come represent for today. And them you come represent for today. You could Cinderella them, little Isabella them, Fiona them. But go on.
See a GT girl can change your life. Change your life.
Wait, hold on, pause. What kind of girl can change over life? My life. Well, I'm not lying. There's this one Guyanese girl, you know. I'm not gonna call her name, but I think you know who you are. You can probably change my life, you know. We're not gonna talk too much about that. I'll play the song.
See a GT girl can change your life.
Alright.
Change your life. A little Guyanese girl can change your life.
Maybe. We're going to see some more.
Could it be a girl can change your life?
They got that one the right.
Change your life. I swear a GT girl can change your life.
Change your life.
Change your life. See a GT girl can change your life. Change your life. Caribbean girl can change your life.
Hey. Because, yo, while I'm pause, I have to take that moment to big up all of the Caribbean girls. I'm like, all that who know, big up on yourself. You know, it's a Tarek represent for all women. If you want to find out how I represent for all women, look on Terry Vlogs, the main channel, and you see what me I talk about. They're like, yo, you see what me I talk about. Terry Vlogs, the main channel, and you see what me I talk about. But if you want money and watch that video right now, you like woman, drop some heart emoji in the comment section. Good.
See a GT girl can change your life. Change your life. Take all your love, she won't take all your money. Alright. She gon' be right by your side, ready to fight, ready to die. Alright. So damn wavy, yeah.
I nah like Mr. Drew, I like how you change up your thing. You see me, I say, I like the soca vibes where you give me, dog. I like the soca vibes where you give me. Hey, me no want none talk about me like to have shots over there, so. We never did that a while ago, left it alone. Me don't want nobody talk about me like to have shots over there, so. But anyways, back to the GT girl that can change your life. Go back a little bit in that song.
You won't take all your money. She gon' be right by your side, ready to fight, ready to die. So damn wavy, yeah. That's my baby, yeah. And she stressed me out. Then I slaughter out my coolie girl.
Alright. Hold on, coolie girl, you gone to coolie girl now?
Tear out my coolie girl.
Okay.
Talking about that GT girl. Body shape like Isabella. Cook and clean like Cinderella.
Eh.
See a GT girl can change your life.
Change your life.
A little Guyanese girl can change your life.
Change your life.
A Caribbean girl can change your life.
Change your life.
Find a GT girl, you find a wife.
Alright.
Find a wife.
It bad. It bad, Mr. Joe. Ready. Yeah, right there. Change your life. Change your life. Change your life. Man, who a high note there in the background still senior Drew. But people, your thoughts on this song, drop it down below in the comment section as usual. May I say it just dropped and you might get this video today. No, depending on how busy I get throughout the course of the day. You understand me? But until then, go on the main channel, Tyreek Vlogs. Let me say that nothing normal over here, so you. I know nothing normal over there, so you see me? Nothing normal now going over there, so. Nothing normal. Focus upon me. But I don't really know your people. I'm kind of mad for real, like, because a long time I know that's why I try to do the thing the right way for me, dog. And it's like, the main thing I'm mad first thing, you know. And because I'm not able to link me one myself, I'm not able to post for so long. And because I don't even, like, on Instagram, dog, because I'm going to know man I try reach 10K followers on the gram. Alright, I'm going to only way for go over there for follow me on Instagram, dog. I'm telling you, say, yo, once me hit 10K every Friday, now I give you $100. Why in that now motivating to figure subscribe, figure follow me on Instagram, like. What wrong with my Instagram so nobody can follow me, no know how to follow me. You see me, I say. If you want new viewer for channel, brother, you see this right now, I'm sorry that. But a long time I do this, dog, and it's like, but just not feel support I'm supposed to deserve. I'm supposed to get at this moment and point, dog, you see me? But guess what? I still entertainment. We still like an entertainer now. So don't want no one, I'm gone. Peace.